Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I created this everyday warm kind of makeup look. This was actually supposed to be a summer makeup tutorial. I filmed this in May, like 2 months back, and that time it was really hot, and now it's monsoon, so let's just call it everyday makeup tutorial. So without a further ado, let's get started. So first I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. My skin is getting really oily these days, so I just wanted to smoothen out the areas near my nose, fill in the pores basically. For the foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade 107, and first I'm dotting it all over my face as usual, and then using a buffing brush to buff it all out. This is a matte foundation, so this is perfect for oily skin or monsoon or summer season where your skin tends to get oily and you want a matte finish. For the concealer, I'm using the Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige and applying it under my eyes. This is my usual routine, no difference in that. And the concealer brush I'm using is by PAC in the number 272, and just blending it all out and even applying it on my lids. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium and using this fluffy brush and applying it under my eyes and on my lids. I just got a lot of powder on my hair, but just ignore that. And applying a lot of powder basically. Usually I would use a beauty blender, but that is when I want a dewy finish. For this I wanted a matte look, so I wanted more powder to be there. So I'm just putting it on my T-zone wherever I get oily and sweaty, and I applied a lot on my upper lip actually because I was sweating a lot while filming. But just apply very minimal product, or don't apply any product at all on your upper lips, like even the foundation and all, because when you sweat it does not look cute. The sweat just melts down the makeup and you get all these foundation spots which does not look good. So just apply very little product there. I was applying too much powder because I was filming. To fill in the eyebrows, I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I just kept adding more and more powder because I was sweating. For the eyeshadow, I'm mixing these two shades called Henna and Sandalwood and applying it all over my lids with this fluffy blending brush and slowly even blending it in my crease. Also adding it under my eyes. Next, just to add a little something, I'm taking this cocoa shade and using a liner brush and drawing a winged eyeliner, roughly, not very precise. I don't like very dark winged liners, like using an eyeliner and all. I don't enjoy that. So drawing a liner with eyeshadow looks really soft. Then I took my brush and I'm just blending it all out so that there's no harsh line. After blending it all out, the brown had kind of disappeared on my lid, so I just made it a little dark by applying the shade again near my lashes, not all over. Next, I'm taking the shade called Demure. It's like a light pink or peachy kind of shade and applying it in my inner corner just to give a pop of pink, which is really light. It's not too bright. Next, to add some shimmer, I'm using this shade from the Smoky Obsessions palette. Next, to curl my lashes, I'm using the Color Bar Eyelash Curler and applying a mascara primer. This is by L'Oreal. This is a L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. I love this primer. It just makes my lashes look really long and full. So I apply the primer, I let it dry for some time, for a few seconds, and then I go in with mascara. And I just got that mascara on my lids, so I'm just taking my Q-tip and cleaning it all out. When you're cleaning it, make sure the mascara is completely dried, otherwise it can be a mess. Next, I'm applying a nude pencil on my lower waterline. For the bronzer, I'm using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit and applying it on the sides of my face, and I'm applying a lot of it because I wanted that tanned and bronzy look. I'm also applying on my cheeks for a sunburn kind of look because it was supposed to be a summer makeup tutorial. So applying it on my cheeks, it just gave a really nice sunburnt kind of look. For the blush, I'm using this blush from the Makeup Revolution Iconic palette and applying on top of the bronzer so that it's like a mixture of blush and bronzer and it looks warm. And then I took this bronzer also from the same palette and applying it all over my face basically, just to tan myself. Next, I'm taking this highlighter from the same palette on the same brush and just roughly applying it like a blush just to give kind of a burnt effect so that it looks glowy from within. Next, I'm also using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and applying it using a fan brush just for some extra glow, and also on my nose, chin, forehead, usual areas. Next, I tried to draw some freckles using a lip liner, but it just wasn't showing. So I just took some eyeshadow, and it was my first time drawing freckles, so it looked like I got chicken pox. To tone it down, I took that bronzer and I'm just patting my brush on it. I'm not moving it too much. I'm just patting it just to tone it down and so that it's blended with the rest of my skin. This is how it looked like. I should have drawn them in smaller size, but that's okay. I mean, it was my first try and it looked fine. And now, since we have used a lot of powder products to melt everything together, I'm using rose water. You can use any face mist you have. It just makes a huge difference. It just melts down your makeup and it doesn't look cakey or powdery. Next, I'm lining my lips using the Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade Trendsetter and applying the lipstick also in the same shade Trendsetter. It's a liquid lipstick. And just to lighten it a little bit in the center, I'm using Bombshell from Huda Beauty. Also added some highlighter on my collarbones. Today's comment shout out goes to Divsheen. Thank you so much, Divsheen, for commenting on my video. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. In case you want to recreate it, please do, and please send me your pictures on Instagram or just tag me on Instagram. I'll definitely repost it. I'll leave my handle on the screen. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more such videos, and also hit on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.